we are going to do chapter 13, Sounds of Animal. On page 25. Now children, repeat after me. Question number 1. What do you see here? What picture it is, children? It's a dog. Yes, it's a dog. What sound does a dog make? What sound does a dog make, children? Yes, it barks. Now tell me the answer, children. A dog barks. A dog barks. Now, in the second question, what picture can you see here? What picture is here, children? Yes, it's a crow. When do you see the crow? In the morning. Yes. What sound does a crow make? What sound does a crow make, children? A crow caws. A crow caws. Yes. What picture you can see here? A cute cat sitting here. Yes, it's a cat. What sound does a cat make, children? A cat mews. A cat mews. Yes, what picture you can see here, children? It's a donkey. It's a donkey. What sound does a donkey make? A donkey brays. A donkey brays. Yes, the king of the jungle. Who is the king of the jungle? It's a lion. Yes. What sound does a lion make, children? A lion roars. A lion roars. Now here, what do you see here? What picture it is here, children? Yes, it's a cow. What sound does a cow make, children? What sound? A cow mows. A cow mows. So these are the 6 questions which you have to learn with the full sentence. Okay, children? This was for today. We will continue with more questions and more answers in the next class. So, this was for today. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.